Hello, in this Solidity tutorial, we are going to look at events. It's a really cool way of logging data. So, to create an event, just do event, and then you put the name of the event. So I'm going to put log event, so that's my name that I've set to the event. And in here, you just assign some, or you basically set the data type, and you can have more than one piece of value that is being passed into the log. I'm just going to use one for now. And what we're going to do is log the value that we are setting. So X. So if I click create, if I put in 89, set. If I go to details, scroll down, and we get logs, and then you can see we've got the event, which is log event. We've got a topic, which is automatically applied, and we've got the argument. If we have multiple arguments, you would have commas, and then you would have multiple different arguments. This is a great way of keeping track of data outside of the sort of functions here. Instead of using these, you can just put them within here based on different events that are occurring within your contract. So that's it. I know it's been a very short tutorial, but not much more to it than that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And as usual, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.